Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a day in the life. I'm just going to take you along on my day. And I'm here in my bedroom. I'm going to start my cleaning for the day and I'm going to start off by making my bed. And before I get into today's video, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about our new mattress that we got. And this portion of the video is in collaboration with Lol Mattresses. They recently sent us one of their amazing mattresses. We were so excited to receive it. We got it about a week ago, so we've been sleeping on the mattress for a week and we love it. We've been sleeping so much better. Before we got this mattress, we had a super old mattress. We'd had that mattress for 6 years and it was used before we got it, so it was high time that we got a new mattress. We were needing one so bad. So we were really excited to get this mattress, and after sleeping on it for a week, we can honestly say that it is so incredibly comfy. So your Lol mattress will arrive in a box and they do have free shipping. They also have free returns. They have a 100-night trial. So if after 100 nights you do not like the mattress, you can return it for free and get your money back. The mattress was super easy to unbox. We just had to open up the box, cut the plastic off of the mattress, and as soon as we took the plastic off of the mattress, it immediately started to expand. It was very easy. Just laid it on the bed so that it could expand completely. And this mattress is so comfy. It's like the perfect in between. It's not too firm, it's not too soft. And my husband has lower back problems and our old mattress really bothered his back. That was another reason that we were looking for a new mattress. And with this mattress, my husband's back has been feeling a lot better. And I know that you guys are going to love your Lol mattress. If you order one with my link down below, you can get $50 off your order. And these mattresses are already so affordable for being such great quality and so comfortable, but you can also get an extra $50 off with my link down below. My experience with Lol has been great. They have amazing customer service. So a big thank you to them again for collaborating with me on this portion of the video and for sending me one of their amazing mattresses. Okay, so now we will get into this day in the life video. I have got so much to do today. Yesterday I was gone all day long. I didn't get home until after dark. I was running errands in town, getting groceries, and then Kyle had a 2-hour Sunday school class, so I didn't end up getting home until after dark. So I've still got groceries on my countertop that need put away. They're still in the bags. I've got a messy house. I got kids to take care of. I got laundry to do. I got sheets to wash. I got a whole video to edit. Plus I got to film this day in the life. So it is going to be a very busy Friday, but I'm going to try to take you guys along on most of my day. Right now I need to go take care of these kids before I start my cleaning. So this is the situation that we've got going on in the kitchen. I don't even know if I should be showing this. And the table is full of stuff too. Basically, I got home from the grocery store last night and I just put away the cold stuff, and that was pretty much it because I was so tired. So I just need to get this kitchen cleaned up and get these groceries put away. I know that my day is gonna go better if I can just get this kitchen clean. I eat a lot of chicken on like salad or in wraps or whatever, and I wanted to get a salt-free seasoning mix because I usually use lemon pepper and mesquite seasoning, but they have salt in those seasonings, so I decided to try this salt-free chicken grilling blend. And so yeah, we'll see how that tastes. And at Marshall's, I got some of this organic cacao powder to make smoothies and smoothie bowls. And then I also got some organic cacao nibs to put on top of smoothie bowls. And then at Walmart, I got some white quinoa. Is that how you say it? I don't know how to pronounce that. But I want to give this a try to maybe replace rice. I also grabbed some bacon and croutons for salads. I won't give you a full grocery haul because I already put half of everything away. But I just wanted to show you a couple things there. Okay, so it's almost 10:30 and I haven't eaten breakfast yet, but at least I got the kitchen cleaned up, the dishwasher started, so I'm gonna make myself a little yogurt bowl. Okay, this is all ready to eat. It looks super yummy, so I think that I am going to go and start editing my video while I eat this. Done eating breakfast. I got some of my video edited and now I need to get back to the housework. I need to start some laundry. And if you're wondering where my kids are, Kyle is outside playing and Owen is finally taking a nap. Owen woke up early this morning. He was not very happy. I think that he's cutting some teeth and I could not get him to go down for a nap. He would just cry and cry every time I put him in bed, but now he's finally asleep, thank goodness. So now's the time to get stuff done. I need to find a spot to keep all of this stuff so that I can get my laundry started. This is all stuff for a future video. I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree organization video, and Dollar Tree has so many neat organizing things right now. I'm really excited to show you guys all the stuff that I found, so stay tuned for that video. So I'm going to head outside here and check on my chickens. Lately they have been eating their eggs again. It's so frustrating. They had stopped for a while and now they've started eating their eggs again. So I'm open to all of your suggestions that you might have about breaking them of their habit. I've heard of putting a wooden egg in there. I've heard of giving them oyster shells. I don't know. This is just really super annoying. You can see the sawdust is all wet because they've been smashing their eggs and eating them. I need to put more sawdust in here. And, come on, chickens. Quit eating your eggs. Going to put some more of their sawdust in there. They have no more water, so I need to get this filled up. But first, I gotta truck out there and turn on the hose. Well, this one just woke up and he hasn't been the happiest today. I think he might be cutting teeth, but he's happy right now just because I'm holding him. But he didn't sleep too long, but I was able to get a few things done and I got more of my video edited. Do you want some lunch now? Do you want something to eat? Boom. You stinker. I asked Owen if he wanted to go outside. I told him to go get his shoes, and he actually went and got his shoes. So you ready to go outside? Is that Big Brother's tractor? Wow. Owen found all of Kyle's tractors that he had set up here in the gravel. Kyle's got them all full of gravel. Is that fun? So I was just editing this video and I realized that I forgot to film an ending to this video, so I just wanted to hop on here and say thank you for watching, and sorry that this was kind of a random day in the life. As I'm editing the video, I realized that not a whole lot of exciting things happened on the day that I filmed this, so hopefully you guys still enjoyed it, and thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!